Hello and welcome to FXCM. Today we'll show you how to automate your signals from TradingView to execute trades on your FXCM account using Capitalise.ai. Capitalise.ai, in partnership with FXCM, allows you to do code-free automation just by typing simple commands. But first, let's make sure your FXCM account is connected to the Capitalise service. You can do this by going to FXCM.com, then trading Capitalise.ai. Here, click on Sign Up to get started, and the form to sign up to the Capitalise service will open up. Once you've completed the information, simply sign up to the service, and this will give you access to the platform where you can start creating your own automated strategies. But to verify that your account is linked, go to the left-hand menu and select Connect Trading Account. As you can see, you will need to open an FXCM Trading Station account if you don't have one yet. Then, you'll need to go to myfxcm.com and submit an authorization form. If you're not sure where to find it, simply click on Read the Guide for a step-by-step on how to do this. Once your account is connected, you are ready to link it to TradingView to automate execution. Go to the left-hand menu and click on Create New Strategy. Here, we'll use webhooks, which is an alert option within TradingView, in order to trigger trades in your FXCM account. We'll start with simple commands. Type webhook and select the command here. And you'll see that we have two options, URL and message. Copy URL and now go to TradingView. TradingView lets you create alerts based on indicators or strategies. We'll start with something simple. Let's select an indicator like Bollinger Bands. And you see when we select it automatically gets added to the chart. Here you can change the indicator settings, or to add an alert, simply click on the three-dotted menu or the alert options at the top. Then let's enter the logic for our notification. In this case, we'll have an alert generate when the price crosses the Bollinger Band lower band, and select and trigger once per bar. Then go to notifications and select the webhook URL option. Paste the URL we copied from Capitalise and go back to settings. Delete everything that you see in the message section, go back to Capitalise and copy the message and enter it here. Now let's name our alert and click on Create. You should see the notification or the alert on the right-hand side by clicking this icon here. Now let's complete the logic on Capitalise. We have to tell it exactly what it's supposed to do when it gets that notification. Triggers by $, and the amount. Then click on Next. And now we have to follow the same procedure to select the exit strategy. Copy the message and go back to TradingView. For every section of your strategy, you will have to generate a new alert and link it to a webhook in order for the logic to get executed. So let's click on Alert again. And in this case, let's have that close when it crosses the upper bar. Once again, make sure that you select once per bar. This will make sure that with every notification, only one trade gets generated. And delete everything that you have under message and paste the message that we copied. Now let's name our alert and click on Create. And you'll see it appear in the same section as the other one. Now let's go back to Capitalise and let's do the same thing. This is the exit strategy, so this notification or alert should trigger the close of the position. And then click on Next. Under Strategy Settings, make sure that you select Run in Loop if you want the strategy to continue entering trades as every notification gets generated. If you don't select Running Loop, then the system will stop the strategy after the first notification is received. The first entry and the first exit notifications are received. Now let's name our strategy, and you have two options. You can simulate, which basically back tests your strategy, or if you already linked your FXCM live account to Capitalise, you can simply click on Run Live. And automatically the system will start executing trades whenever the notifications are received. In either case, Capitalise will show you all of your results and the alerts that have been generated in the past. You can do this with any indicator or any strategy that you can find on TradingView. As you can see, you have many available from those already that come with the platform, or you can click on Community and start testing those provided by the community or other users within TradingView. We hope that this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to communicate with us through FXCM.com on our chat system or send us an email. Have a great day.